Okay, hello everyone. How are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to another video. This time I'm gonna take a look at Bombjack on the Commodore Amiga. So I just reviewed this game on the Amstrad CPC. And this conversion is from 1988, so it's a 16-bit game. So let's fire it up. Here we go, here is Bombjack. And I can collect these bombs in right order if I want to, but I don't have to. It's quite difficult actually. And I'm trying to learn the flying technique here. If I tap the fire button, I can do this gliding like that. It can be very useful. Oops. So here on the get-go is quite easy, but it will be very difficult pretty fast actually. So I mean, it's a nice looking game actually. Very sharp, cool graphics, I like it. It's not the best I've seen on the Amiga, but it's good enough. And I mean, the music is pretty repetitive, but it's nice, a little bit jolly good tune. Oh shit. Let's go up here. So this is okay. I have to stay away from that. I think that is something that will harm me. That's circular stuff there. Oops, shit, I was lucky there. So it gets pretty busy immediately, and it can be pretty tough to avoid the enemies actually. So now all the enemies turned into coins, so I can collect them for more points. So there you go. Yeah, I mean it's a game that one has to practice some to master actually, because it gets busy very fast with a lot of enemies going on, and there is not so much room to maneuver. Look at it, it's just crawling of enemies. So I have to... shit. So I think I have only one life left now. I need the extra life, and I need a letter E, I think. That B gives me some bonus points. Okay. So here I glide over the enemies here. I missed that one there. Oops. Shit, I missed it. Oops, I missed that as well. Get up there. And start gliding. There you go. I will probably get institutionalized now with this tune on my mind. It's pretty easy happened actually. Yeah, on the Amstrad CPC version I actually tried. Ay caramba. I actually tried to collect some bombs in the right order, but that was a little bit easier. This version is way faster and more busy, in my opinion. That is. Oh. Ay caramba. Is it game over now? Yeah, it was game over there. So there you go. It's just a short video. We have seen Bombjack on the Amiga. I mean, it's good actually, I think, but I prefer the Amstrad version over this. I thought it was the Amstrad version had the right pace and cool graphics, and yeah, it was just fun. It was a perfect mix of pretty achievable and a little bit difficult. in one, so to speak. So yeah, so there you go, Bombiak on the Amiga. I will give it a 6 out of 10 for this one. It's worth checking out. So there you go. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.